Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you two super easy wood DIYs. The first one is a Easter sign and that cost me approximately $5, and the next one didn't cost me anything because it was made from materials around the house. So come along. For this project I am using this piece of wood that's 1 by 10 by 6. And I am using these foam bunnies, some Chateau gray paint, it's any Sloan chalk paint, and my old white. So I don't quite have enough of these, so I'm going to make some more. So I'm going to take my any Sloan white and I'm going to just paint an area where this bunny would go. Okay, so I have the 3 areas. You can see the third one. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the same brush. I just brushed off some of the stuff, and I'm gonna put my painter's tape. So I'm gonna let this dry, and the next thing that I'm going to do once it's dried is apply this black wax to the board, and I'm gonna apply generous amount with a rag. Next thing that I do is I take the bunnies off. You don't have to wait for the wax to dry because it's fairly dry, and I just take a rag and brush out any clumps around the bunnies that might have been there. For lettering I use white acrylic paint and a flat brush. You can really use any brush that works for you. I just prefer a flat brush. For this DIY, I will be using this piece of wood that I found in a garage, and it's 2 by 6 by 8 in length, and I'm going to cut it into 3 different sizes. I'm not measuring it, I just want 3 different sizes. So here are the pieces that I cut up, and they're 3 different sizes, which is what I wanted. And I'm going to give the edges some sanding just so they're not so sharp and I don't get splinters. Just a rough sanding. So I'm using white, old white from Sloan. I tell you, this paint has gone so far. And I'm just going to give it like a very dry brush. Okay, so I'm gonna let those dry. Now for these bunnies, to finish them off. So I'm using some of these wood shapes, and I just need 3 hearts. I also need some paint. I would preferably like soft pink, but I don't have any soft pink, so I'm going to add some Tutti Frutti pink and some white. And this will give me a softer pink. And then I also need some paint brushes and some permanent markers. Gonna take some wood glue. Not too much because you don't want it to come out. Put it right in the middle. I'm gonna take a brush and I'm just gonna lightly dip it into that pink paint. So this guy is done for now. Now I'm gonna move on to this guy. Same thing. I think they're cute. I'm just gonna go find some ribbon for them now. So I only found some of this blue ribbon. So I'm taking the leftover pieces of burlap and just cutting them up and see what I can do with them. If you know how to tie bows, you probably don't need to do this. I think I'm going to hot glue this here like that. They're done. I think they're super cute. Great addition to my front porch because that's where they're gonna be going. So I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy DIY a video with 2 different DIYs, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching.